Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Island Beauty, and if you're new, welcome. You should subscribe and join the family. In today's video, I created this smoky eye with a brown lip all fall tutorial. So if you guys want to see how I created this look, keep on watching, and don't forget to give the video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. Alright, so I'm spraying my badescu spray as usual to set my face. And then I'm going in with my NYX Pro Filler Primer. And I'm just going to work this into my skin. You always want to prime your face and make it look smooth, okay? For my foundation, I'm going with my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Cup Foundation. I have a review on this foundation if you guys want to check it out. Let me know down in the comments if you guys want me to like cut this part out in my future videos. If you guys don't want to see this, let me know. But if you guys enjoy me blending out my foundation, let me know also, and I won't cut it out. My concealer, as usual, I'm going in with my Too Faced Born This Way Full Coverage Concealer. Applying the concealer in areas I normally apply it. And I'm just blending it out with my Real Techniques blending sponge. And to set my concealer, I'm going in with my Sacha Buttercup setting powder. And I'm just going to apply it everywhere I apply concealer. So time to get into these eyes. I'm gonna start priming my eyes with my concealer, my Too Faced Born This Way concealer, and then I'm just gonna blend it out with my blending sponge. And I'm setting my concealer on my eyes with the same setting powder. So the first palette that I'm using is the Juvia's Place Masquerade palette, and I'm going in with that shade Burnica and applying it as my transition color. Now I'm going with my Morphe 35B palette, and I'm taking that orange shade. I'm going to apply that right where I applied Burnica. And the brush that I'm using is an e.l.f. brush. So because it's a smoky eye, we have to put some black. So I'm taking that black eyeshadow from the Morphe 35B palette, and I'm going to apply that on the outside of my crease and working it in. So the key to this look is blending. I did speed it up a little bit because it took me a while to blend this, but it's a lot of blending in order to get it to look smooth. So I went back and forth with the orange shadow because I didn't want it to look crazy. So just to make sure it's not super dark, I go back in with the orange shadow to tame it. And if you guys realize, I'm using circular motions to help me blend it better. Now I'm going in with that green, dark green shade, and I'm applying it as my lid color. I'm just gonna pat this in. And I love this brush. This brush is a Morphe brush, and I use it to go back and just blend everything to make it look seamless. So for a little shimmer, I went in with the Perception palette, and I applied that shade. It's called IE, and I used my flat brush to apply it. Contour, I'm going with my CoverGirl Queen Ebony bronzer, and I'm just going to contour my cheekbones, my forehead. And you know we gotta contour the nose too, using the same bronzer. Alright, so I'm using my black radiance pressed powder to dust away the setting powder from my face and then blend everything in and make it look seamless. And here I'm applying all the shades I applied on top to the bottom and just blending it all in. And to set my face, I'm using the Makeup Revolution setting spray. Highlighter, I'm using Boomin from the Shayla by Colorpop collection. You guys know how I feel about this highlighter. I love it. And I'm just going to blend it out as usual to make it look seamless. The same highlighter for the inner corners of my eyes. I'm also applying some under my brow. The lips, I'm using my brown NYX lip liner to line my lips. Lips, I'm going with the NYX Lingerie lipstick in Beauty Mark. As usual, for my eyelashes, I'm using my Bad Gal Bang Mascara by Benefit Cosmetics. To finish off everything, I'm using my NYX Matte Finishing Setting Spray. Look, just, can y'all just, I don't know. I really don't know, man. Like, this is giving me all kinds of life. Like, I really love this look. Like, it's bomb for fall. Like, the smokiness, and it's just like, man, y'all just don't know how I love this look. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and as usual, subscribe if you ain't subscribed yet, and join the Island Beauty Club. And don't forget to put your notifications on so you get notified each and every time I post. Alright?